like a Hellcat.
Hi, welcome all to my channel, Ruma's Classes. Today we are going to study adjectives, degrees of comparison. Let's see how. We use adjectives not only to describe nouns but also to compare them with others of the same kind. We have three kinds of degrees for comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let's study them in detail. Positive degree. When quality of a thing is stated and no comparison is made, then it is positive degree of comparison. For example, good, the food is good, the dress is pretty. Comparative degree. When the quality of two things is compared, or when two things are compared with each other, then it is comparative degree of comparison. Like South Indian food is better than Chinese food, the blue dress is prettier than the pink one, and so on. Superlative degree. When the quality of more than two things are compared, or one thing is compared with all the other of the same kind, then it is superlative degree of comparison. Examples: best. For example, South Indian food is the best, this dress is the prettiest, this coffee is the nicest, and so on. Let's look at a few rules how changes take place while comparing. Rule 1. You need to learn these rules and remember them also. If the adjective ends with a vowel and y, then er and est are added at the end of the words to change their degrees. Examples are grey, grayer, greyest, coy, coyer, coyest. Rule 2. If an adjective ends with e, then simply r and st are added to change them. Large, larger, largest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Cute, cuter, cutest. Rule 3. If an adjective ends with y, then y is removed and ier and iest are added at the ends. Examples: busy, busier, busiest, happy, happier, happiest, naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Rule 4. If an adjective ends with a single consonant, that means not a vowel, not a, e, I, o, u, then the last consonant is doubled to change into the other two degrees. Let's see. Fat, fatter, fatter means the single T became double T at the end. Similarly, sad, sadder, saddest, big, bigger, biggest. A few exceptions to this rule 4 where the adjective does not double the last consonant. Like broad has a D at the end, but D does not get doubled up for comparative and superlative degrees. It simply becomes broader, broader. Means the simplest rule is applied to these: short, shorter, shortest, long, longer, longest. Rule 5. If an adjective is long, having two or more syllables, syllable means sounds, two or more sounds, then more and most are added to change them into the other two degrees. Like beautiful and difficult, these are long words. B-U-T-ful means more than two sounds are there. So, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult means two and more sounds. So, more difficult and most difficult. Some adjectives do not follow any pattern of change. Means they change into a completely different word while taking them into comparative degrees or superlative degrees. Examples like good takes better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, less, least. Much, many are changed to more and most. One thing to note that the definite article the must be added to the adjective before the superlative degree form. We learn these how more in the examples coming up. Jupiter is the dash planet in the solar system. Now large is a word given to us and we can make out from the sentence that it is compared to all the other planets of the solar system. Means this is the superlative form. Also the is there in the sentence before the gap. So the answer will be largest. We have to pick up the word that is given in the bracket to us. Mars is dash than Mercury, means two things are compared, Mars and Mercury. So this is what degree? This is comparative degree. So we'll have the word over here as bigger. Mars is a dash line, means we are talking about only Mars here. That means this is positive degree, taking the gap as big. Look at a few more examples. Ravi is an dash boy. The word is given to us and we are talking only about Ravi, no comparison here. So intelligent boy. Rohan is more intelligent than Ravi because two people are compared, Ravi and Rohan. Now Shashank, we are talking about Shashank. Shashank is the dash boy in the class. One thing you can note, the is there before the blank. That means superlative degree of comparison. Also the boy Shashank is being compared to the whole class, means all the boys, not only two. So most intelligent boy in the class. Now let's look at the different words, how they change. I have dash apples in my basket, means I'm only talking about myself. How many apples I have? So I have many apples in my basket. Now Meena has dash apples than me, means two people are compared. One my apples and also Meena's apples. So the word more of comparative degree will be taken here. That means we are talking about two people. More apples. And Sapna has the dash apples in her basket, means again the hint is there. The is the word before the gap and also her apples are being compared to all other ones. So has the most apples in her basket. This is all from me. Any doubts you have, please write in the comment box and please like my channel and also share it. Thank you for watching.